The Belarus 300 was a compact utility tractor known for its robust and straightforward design, often favored for basic agricultural tasks and its relative simplicity. It was part of the broader range of tractors produced by the Minsk Tractor Works, MTZ, in Belarus. Engine detail. The Belarus 300 was powered by a Belarus diesel engine. This was a two-cylinder engine with a total displacement of 127 cubic inches, 2.1 liters. The engine had a bore and stroke of 4.13 by 4.72 inches, 105 by 120 millimeters, and produced a power output of 36 horsepower, 26.8 kilowatts. It featured a compression ratio of 16:1.